Most of us fear that snapping our fingers is damaging our joints. But guess what? Research shows it's completely harmless. That's simply gas bubbles bursting in your joints. Studies reveal no evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. It's often passed down from parents and friends. The fear of discomfort grows, turning an innocent habit into a scary tale. Release tension through movement, stretches, or even a quick game. Your joints will thank you. Remember, not all myths hold water. Stay curious and keep questioning. Join the conversation and spread the truth about knuckle cracking.